Hello and welcome to Whiz. My name is Kyle and I'm here with yet another how to make money online video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money by staking your crypto assets. Do you own crypto assets that you've been holding? Do you want to make passive income from these crypto assets? Then stay till the end of this video as I will be walking you through how you can stake your coins to earn money. Staking is a term you'd have heard a lot if you're a crypto investor. Staking is the way of verifying transactions in several cryptocurrencies, and it allows users to earn rewards for their holdings. But what exactly is crypto staking? Staking cryptocurrency is the process of committing your crypto assets to a blockchain network in order to support it and confirm transactions. It's compatible with cryptocurrencies that process payments using the proof-of-stake system. Compared to the original proof-of-work paradigm, this is a more energy-efficient option as proof-of-work requires mining devices that use computing power to solve mathematical equations. Staking can be a terrific way to earn passive income with your crypto, especially because some cryptocurrencies pay out large interest rates for staking. This is a very amazing opportunity to earn. It is crucial to understand how crypto staking works before you get into it. Staking is how new transactions are added to the blockchain for cryptocurrencies that follow the proof-of-stake concept. Participants first make a pledge to the cryptocurrency protocol using their coins. Then, the protocol selects validators from among these individuals to confirm transaction blocks. You're more likely to get chosen as a validator if you pledge more coins. Every time a block is added to a blockchain, new cryptocurrency coins are minted and distributed as staking rewards to that block's validator. The rewards are almost always the same type of coin that the players are staking. Some blockchains, on the other hand, use a different form of cryptocurrency as a reward. Before you can stake crypto, you must own a cryptocurrency that uses a proof-of-stake model. Then the next step is to decide how much you want to stake. You can do this through many popular cryptocurrency exchanges. When you stake your coins, they don't disappear from your wallet. They still remain in your possession. You're effectively putting those staked coins to work, and you may unstake them at any time if you want to trade them. The unstaking procedure may take some time though. Some cryptocurrencies even require you to stake coins for a set period of time. Staking isn't an option with all types of cryptocurrencies. To add blocks to their blockchain, many cryptos use the proof-of-work concept. The issue with proof-of-work is that it requires a lot of computational power. As a result, cryptocurrencies that use a proof-of-work consume a lot of energy. Bitcoin, in particular, has been criticized because of environmental issues that it cases. Proof-of-stake, on the other hand, requires far less energy. This also makes it more scalable as a solution that can manage higher transaction volumes. Now, how do you go about staking? First, you have to buy a cryptocurrency that employs the proof-of-stake model. Some examples include Tezos, Cosmos, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, and now Ethereum, through the new ETH2 upgrade. After you buy your crypto, it will be available in the exchange where you purchased it. Some exchanges have their own staking programs with select cryptocurrencies. If that's the case, you can simply stake crypto on the exchange. If that's not the case, then you'll need to transfer your assets to a blockchain wallet. If you don't already have one, wallets are often regarded as the most secure method of storing cryptocurrency. Downloading a free software wallet is the quickest method, although hardware wallets are also available for purchase. Some people will recommend a hardware wallet, and I also recommend that you use a hardware wallet. Once you've gotten your coins into your wallet, choose the option to deposit crypto, and then choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to deposit. This will generate a wallet address. Select the option to withdraw your cryptocurrency from your exchange account. To transfer your cryptocurrency from your exchange account to your wallet, copy and paste that wallet address. The next step is to join a staking pool. Crypto traders combine their funds in these staking pools to have a better chance of earning staking rewards. Once you've found a pool, stake your crypto to it through your wallet, and that's all you need to do to start earning rewards. How much can you earn through crypto staking? Staking rewards vary widely based on the staking platform. The cryptocurrency and how many individuals are actually staking a particular coin. The incentives for the more popular coins such as Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot range from 5 to 20%. For smaller cryptocurrencies, these rewards can even be above 100%. The way crypto stakers are rewarded vary from one crypto exchange to another. Some may take a portion of any staking reward, while others may give you the entire reward. Other trading platforms have their own set of regulations and incentives. Some adjust their yield daily based on the staking rewards left within a specified pool, while others have a fixed yield for a specific lockup term with a maximum payout per user. It's vital to remember that staking yields might vary based on the number of users who participate and the total reward pool. Yields change largely because the rewards are fixed over time, but the amount of capital that participates in staking or lending changes. The more people who are staking or lending, the lower the rewards, and vice versa. Some of the highest rewards right now can be found on Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Now let's look at some of the best crypto staking platforms for massive gains. eToro. eToro is best known as an SEC-regulated cryptocurrency broker with industry-low account minimums and industry-leading fees. However, eToro has since created a portal that allows you to stake your idle cryptocurrency investments. In fact, one amazing feature of this platform is that when you buy digital assets on eToro, the corresponding tokens are instantly staked on your behalf. As of now, eToro offers automated rewards on 3 of the best staking coins. This includes Ethereum, Cardano, and Tron. The costs you pay will vary depending on your eToro membership status and your region. Bronze members and US clients, for example, will receive 75% of eToro's monthly staking yield, while Diamond and Platform Plus account holders will receive 90%. If you want to engage in a flexible arrangement, eToro is also one of the finest crypto staking platforms for 2020. This means that you're not required to keep your crypto tokens locked up for any period of time. On the contrary, you will continue to earn staking rewards on eligible tokens that you hold in your eToro wallet until you decide to cash out. This subsequently prevents the need to transfer staking coins between competing platforms. Before I mention the last crypto staking platform, be sure to subscribe to this channel to get more Make Money Online content. Crypto.com. Crypto.com was launched in 2016 and has since grown to become one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges with millions of users around the world. Although Crypto.com is most recognized for providing simple and low-cost exchange services for more than 250 different tokens, the platform also offers a variety of other crypto-related services. Crypto.com's Crypto Earn facility, in addition to digital asset loans, crypto credit, and debit cards and NFT markets, also provides staking services. In a nutshell, once you've deposited your digital tokens, Crypto.com will use the funds to provide loans to account holders who need money. After that, the end borrower will refund the cash plus interest, which you will receive on a daily basis. The amount you will be compensated is determined by 3 main variables. To begin with, APY rates will vary based on a coin in question. For example, stablecoins like USDC and True GBP offer a 12% annual percentage yield, whereas Bitcoin and Ethereum offer only 6.5%. Second, precise fees will vary depending on whether you want to keep your tokens locked up for 1, 3, or no time at all. Read our Crypto.com credit card review for more information. I'd like to know what you think about this video, so be sure to drop your comments down below. Also check out my video on how to claim and sell NFTs for free.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch you